Hello again, tiny house people. It's story time. And today I'm going to tell you the story of a little CF Bedford that had a camper put onto the back of it by a boat manufacturing company called Craft in the late 1970s. This little camper roamed around the countryside of New Zealand for a good 30 years up until the 1990s or the early 2000s when she slowly rusted away and was no longer allowed on the road. Sometime after that, the camper, which was made out of aluminium and fiberglass and was designed to last for a very long time, was removed and dropped onto some lumps of wood and used as a shed. And that's where our story begins. For a very long time, Camilla the little camper sat behind people's sheds and down the bottom of people's gardens because nobody knew what to do with her. And then along came the nice man from Tiny House and Offgrid Resources, and he said, "I know, let's build a trailer and make it into a caravan for the girls at Harmony Gardens," because the girls at Harmony Gardens had recently found themselves with nowhere to live. So he got out all his tools and started work. And in just 14 hours, he had made them a little caravan on a trailer with an extra room at the front where the Bedford truck used to be. So here I am, checking the pieces that I've put the curve into, one against the other, to make sure that I can have three, a bottom one, a middle one and a top one, all exactly the same. Checking one against the other to make sure they're all the same. A little bit here and a little more here and a little less there. Just about right now. Perfect, there we go. Now, after cutting all the pieces and getting everything prefabricated, the next thing to do was to make this frame. Get it all welded up and then cut the floor and glue the floor down in place. I'm a big fan of using as much good quality glue as I can rather than using screws or nails because they will just rust out. And then we have to clad the front. So here I am fitting a piece of second hand, because this whole job had to be done on the cheap, a piece of second hand cladding, and there's the finished product. Strange but functional. And the ladies from Harmony Garden hooked it up and drove it away.